Hi, I'm Allan Stokell, and this is Grampian Marine, the channel for people buying and maintaining older fiberglass boats. On this episode, how and why people give away their boats. Yes, really. Not everyone can afford to buy and maintain a boat. That said, in many places, living on a boat can be an economical alternative to renting. Before you watch this video, ask yourself a few questions. 1. Are you willing to research how to get a boat for free or almost free? And 2, are you the type of person who can live on a boat? Someone contacted me after watching my video on how to get a boat for free. They said they wanted me to find one for them. I said no, because my time is worth money and they'd have to pay me. I guess it wouldn't be a free boat then. Now, how many free boats aren't worth the price? Well, if you're willing to pay a small amount, you can get a great boat at pennies on the dollar, if you know how. How? Well, look at me. I know that I probably won't be sailing in 10 or 15 years, and that I have this comfortable, well-maintained boat. My son isn't into sailing, so I'll be trying to sell it. The problem is that the boat is old, and people don't want old boats even when they have been very well maintained. The truth is that people like me are out there right now, and you can get a bargain boat if you know where to look and how to bargain. Donald Trump seems to think the way to get the best deal is to insult people and then lowball them and say take it or leave it. It doesn't work for him, and it won't get you my boat. People selling their older boats do want to sell or give to people who appreciate their boat. So trying to drop the price by insulting their baby doesn't work. Now, here's how to get one of these older boats. First, do your research on what kind of size of boat you want and what type. Make lists of what you must have and what you would like to have. For instance, you must have a boat with standing headroom, and you would like to have one with pressurized water. You should have 5 or 6 items in each column. If your must-have list is too long, be prepared to pay more. After that, it's a matter of sail or power and then size. Keep in mind that the cost of maintaining a longer boat with more like-to-have features can add up quickly. If it's your first time, you may want to keep your boat, say, under 30 feet, if it's a sailboat, and maybe under 25 if it's a power boat. If you find you enjoy life on the water, you can trade up. If not, you can still get out without much of a financial penalty. We have lots of other videos on the subject of how to buy a boat. Please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified each time we post a video. Also, if you find this video useful, please check out our Patreon page for a special bonus offer. By the way, we are looking for a sponsor at this time for our channel, so if your business is interested, let us know at the email address below. Okay, so far we've chosen the features, sail or power, and the size. Now it's a good idea to have a look at a few boats that may meet your basic specifications and perhaps even find a particular model that you would like to have. When I was buying my last boat, my wants and my needs list was quite short, but I knew I wanted a particular model and length, so that really shortened the list. Older fiberglass boats can be very well made, and if well maintained, can be real bargains. You often do give up things, but often you can retrofit older boats with new features. Also, if you are willing and capable of doing all the repairs, maintenance, and upgrades yourself, you can save a barrel of money. Okay, so now let's return to free boats. I'm listing a number of links below that you can click on. These are all resources, but if you are really interested, watch the rest of this video because I've got lots more good ideas. Also, the cards that show in the upper right-hand corner will link to other videos on this topic. By lowballing and pointing out faults in the vessel, "Your boat's filthy, it'll cost me thousands to bring her back, won't work well as it is," try something like this. "This is a great old boat, and I really love what you've done with her. The problem is that I'm on a very limited budget and ... Let's get back to why I want to give you my boat. This boat I bought about a decade ago for $5,000. It was a bargain at the time, and it came with most of my must-haves and many of I would like to haves. It's been a fine boat, and I've customized it from a boat that sleeps a crowded 5 to a boat that's comfortably sleeps 3, actually mostly 2, but 3 at a pinch. I'm not selling it today, but I will be soon, and there are lots of people out there who are already ready to give away their old boats right now. So today your job is to find them. Every country has their online want ads. I use Kijiji in Canada. There is also Craigslist and dozens of others worldwide. Usually boats advertised as free are not seaworthy, so you must choose if you want to work on the boat on the hard or on the ground, or perhaps pay a small amount for a boat that's in the water but perhaps just needs some work, preferably work you can do while it's still in the water. I don't know the percentages, but I would bet that the chances of ever sailing a boat that is not seaworthy is quite low. You only need to go to a boatyard to see the field of broken dreams. These boats will never see the sea. I'm undecided as to how I will give away my boat. For instance, would it be a lucky draw, or would I give it to someone who has been supportive of me and my channel, say through Patreon? Let me know what you think in the comments below. One last thought. Getting something for free is great, but once you have it, what are you going to do with it? When getting a boat, keep in mind that even a free boat comes with expenses, so make sure you are prepared. Now, I have some giveaways for you. I have an Excel file on boat budgets you might be interested in. I also have a blank offer to purchase form offering to buy a boat. And I have a boat survey checklist, so if the boat doesn't come with a survey, you might, if it's cheap enough, be able to do the survey yourself. I got a whole bunch more items too. Please check the descriptions below. Please subscribe. Click on the bell to be notified each time we post. My name is Allan Stokell, and thank you very much for watching.